The Tasmanian, height-adjustable table will arrive in 3 boxes ready for assembly. Begin by opening each box to ensure all parts are present. Box 1 will contain the hardware pack and the assembly manual. You'll want to make sure you give yourself enough workspace for assembling the table, and you will need a partner's assistance in a later step. Save some of the styrofoam to use in a later step. Attach 2 T2 plate casters to the right leg part B2 using B1 bolts. Tighten with the enclosed A5 wrench. Attach 2 T2 plate casters to the left leg part B1. Using B1 bolts. Tighten with the enclosed A5 wrench. Attach part E1 to part A, as shown using 3S2 screws. Attach part E2 to part A, as shown using 3S2 screws. Attach part E1 to part A, as shown using 3S2 screws. Lower part C onto E1 and E2 top braces as shown. Attach part C to E1 and E2 as shown using M10 bolts and nuts. The plastic washers go on the inside of the support frame. The metal washers go on the outside of the support frame. Tighten the bolts using A8 Allen and enclosed wrench. Lower the legs B1 and B2 onto the support frame. At the same time, insert the hexagonal rod into the sockets on B1 and B2. Attach B1 and B2 legs to the support frame using B1 bolts. Tighten with a 5 Allen wrench. Attach the crossbar part D to B1 and B2 legs using M6 bolts. Tighten with a 4 Allen wrench. Tip: use some of the packaging to help support the crossbar as you attach it to the legs. Lock the casters and flip the table onto its wheels. You will need a partner to help you with this step. Attach the crank handle to the table using a 2 Allen wrench to tighten as shown. Assembly complete.